Hi, I'm Rob Schumacher from Dashboard Portable Workshop. I'm here to tell you today about how to precisely align the pivot plate on your guide rail bracket set with any table you own. So we want to make sure that this is perfectly parallel to the grid of holes. It may work out that it is when you get it, or that side of your table might be a little bit out of parallel with the grid, out of square with the grid, so you can very easily adjust this plate so that you get the best action possible when lowering the rail onto the front bracket. So just to check, we are going to put some dogs in these holes, and for my purposes I'm just going to use a couple spacers here because this bracket is raised a little bit. So now I have a straight edge I can trust, and I just want to put that up against those dogs. Just take my inline clamp and just hold that against there lightly. So now we know we've got something that's parallel to the dogs going this way. So now let's check and see how well this plate lines up with this straight edge, and as such the grid of holes. So I'm just going to move this over here until it contacts, and you can see if you come over here, the plate is just slightly out of line with the straight edge toward the rear. So now what you want to do is just pull it off of the straight edge a little bit. This is a number 3 square drive Phillips. It's very important to use number 3. Just loosen one of these screws that holds the plate to the axle. Best to do it with 2 hands so it doesn't slip. So now we'll slide this back over up against here, and we can put a little pressure on the plate, tighten down the knobs holding the bracket to the table. So now you can see we've got a nice tight line, and I'm going to come back while I'm holding that against there with one hand just to snug that up, and then check it, and check the other screw with both hands, check it again. So now we have a nice parallel situation with the grid of holes. So this should get you the kind of action you need when you're dropping your rail after performing the usual setup. Thanks for watching.